Welcome back to Make Easy, guys. Today in this specific video I'll be showing you how you can install Windows 10 in your laptop or computer. Step-by-step process. Before that, I will be showing you how to make a bootable pen drive or DVD drive to install Windows 10. And while installing, the problem you will face, like you cannot install Windows 10 in this, or your system is GPT or MB or related like that. So I will be doing the practical in this system because I have inserted SSD in my computer. So I want to install Windows 10 in SSD, and I will be deleting my old Windows 10 from my HDD hard disks. Okay, let's do it practically. Watch till the end to understand the process and problem. Okay, the first step is to make bootable pen drive. For that, you need to visit this website. I'll provide link in the description, or you can just search Windows 10 bootable Microsoft. You will be redirected to this website. After visiting this website, you need to click on this create Windows 10 installation media. So software will be downloaded in your system. You can see it is downloading. After download, you need to open this. Click on open file. It will ask you yes or no. You need to click on yes. So the software will start to make your pen drive bootable. As you can see, in my system I have connected this pen drive. So at least you need 8 GB or more than that, 16 GB or 32 GB pen drive to make bootable Windows 10. So it is getting ready. Now you need to do is just click on next. So it will be ready. Your bootable pen drive will be ready. Now the screen you can see here, you need to click on accept, and then it will take few time, and again you need to click on accept. Now don't be confused with this option. If you want to upgrade your PC, you can select the first option, and if you want to create a Windows installation media, DVD or pen drive, you can click on the next one and click on next button. Look at here, I have selected this create installation media and then next. Now it is selected automatically based on your computer. Fine, you can just click on next, or you can just remove this tick and select the option what you need from here. It is same language, you can select any from here, 32-bit, 62-bit or both, you can select any. So I will click on next, and then USB flash drive or ISO file. I will click on USB flash drive because I want to make pen drive bootable. And then I have here my pen drive as a drive. You can click on the next button. Before you click on the next button, you can verify whether the selected drive is pen drive or not. You can open your my computer and you can see this is the H drive pen drive of 8. This is 32 GB. I have 32 GB. So you can verify that. After verifying, just open that again and click on the next button. So it will take time and your bootable pen drive will be ready. It is displaying here 0%, it will be 100%, and it will be done. So I have already created here, so I will pause this now or close this. After 100%, you can close that and verify whether it is created or not. You can see here this files will be in your pen drive. You can see the name. Now bootable pen drive is ready. Now we are ready to install Windows. Now to start installation process, you need to click on restart button, and the PC is getting restarting. Now you need to press ESC button, F2 button or F10 button from your keyboard. I have connected this keyboard here. In HP, you need to press ESC button continuously like this. ESC button, so your BIOS setting will be open. Look at here, BIOS setting is on. Now you need to press F10 to go to BIOS setting, BIOS setup. I'll go here. In the BIOS setup, I need to select the pen drive to boot from the pen drive. Now I will go to here, configuration. You can see here configuration, and from here you can see boot option. So I need to go there using keyboard. I will press here, and after that you can see UEFI boot order. So from here I've connected USB, so I need to keep this USB option at the top. So here is the option, like press F5, F6 to change the value. So I will press F6 from the keyboard. Yeah, USB at the top. Now to save these changes, I need to click F10 button. I will press F10 button. It is asking save, yes. So after this, computer will restart and it will be loaded from the pen drive, so I can install Windows 10. Okay, the PC is turning on. Now after this, you can see Windows 10 installation process begin. So in your computer might be, it will show you, do you want to boot from USB drive, and it will display 5 dot for 5 seconds. You need to click any you need to press any button from the keyboard, but in my system it is loaded automatically. So I will press next button. I will click on the install button, and then setup is starting. So this is installation process, it is already started. Now you can see the next screen. You click on this accept the terms license and click on the next button, and from here we need to select custom option, and after this you can see I have this drive, HDD drive, system part 1, partition 2, and the last you can see disk 1. You can see all are disk 0, and the last you can see disk 1. This is my SSD, solid state drive. I want to install Windows 10 in this, but you can see there is no option to install, and it is saying the message like Windows cannot be installed on drive 1 partition 1. Why? Let me see the detail. Okay, so while installing I'm getting this problem. Windows cannot be installed on this disk. The selected disk has a MBR partition table. On UEFI system, Windows can only be installed on GPT disk. So this is the problem I'm facing now. So let me show you how to solve this problem, then we'll install this Windows operating system once again. Okay, you can see when I have selected the next one, HDD drive partition, it is allowing you to install. You can click on the next button to start the installation, but don't do that. Let's confirm. Look at this. So if I click on this, my data will be deleted from this drive, so I don't want to do that. I want to install an SSD only, but it is not allowing me to do. So let's solve this problem step by step. What I have done is I have press the ESC button and close the installation process, and again started the computer, and then I'm here in the BIOS setting. Again I will go to the F10 BIOS setup, and then I will start this PC because I have Windows 10 in my computer already in HDD. I will start the computer and then I will show you the process how you can do that. Okay, now I need to keep this OS boot manager at the top, so I'll press F6 button and then F10 button to save. Now operating system will be loaded from my HDD. Then we'll see the process how you can solve that problem. Now the process of converting your SSD or HDD into GPT format to install Windows 10, you need to start CMD from start button. After typing CMD, click on this and run as administrator. So press S button and the CMD is started. Now you need to type the command that is called dixpath. After typing this dixpath, you need to press enter button from keyboard. Now you need to type list dix command. So after typing this also press enter button. So I have 3 dix 0, 1, 2. Now I am going to convert this dix1, that is SSD, into GPT format, and as you can see here at the top, dix0 is already GPT because I have installed Windows 10. To install Windows 10 you need to make it GPT. So I will select now disk1. So I have typed the command select disk1 and press enter button. Now disk1 is selected. Now I will type clean command to delete all the data from the dix1. Okay, after typing clean you can press enter button. So I don't have anything in my dix1, so it is already now cleaned. After this we need to press the command convert GPT. While typing, just type GPT in caps lock, capital letter, and then press enter button. Now disk part successfully converted the selected disk to GPT format. Now our work is done. You can press exit command, again exit, and it will be closed. To verify that whether you have successfully converted to GPT or not, you can just go to command prompt again, press disk part first and then list the disks. You can see disk 0 and disk 1 have asterisk in GPT. So we have successfully converted to GPT. We can install Windows 10 now in disk 1, that is SSD. Now to install Windows 10 in this system, I will restart this computer, laptop. For that, I will click on this restart button. So system is restarting now. Now you need to press ESC button from the keyboard while computer is starting. Now press ESC button continuously from the keyboard. I'm pressing like this. Now you can see there are a few options to go to the BIOS setting. I'm pressing ESC button. In your system might be you need to press F2, F12, it depends on the computer. For HP you can press ESC button. Now for BIOS setting you need to press F10 button from the keyboard. Okay, now here you need to go to configuration. In the configuration you can see boot options, press that and then go down UEFI boot order. You need to select this USB diskette or key USB hard drive. You need to keep it at the top. For that you can see here F5 and F6 to change the value. So to keep this USB at the top, I will press F6 from the keyboard. This is at the top now. To save these changes you need to press F10 button. So I'll press F10 button from keyboard. It is asking to save. Yes, I'll enter button. Now this computer will start and load from the pen drive to install the Windows 10. Okay, it is starting now. Now our Windows installation process begin. Now you can see this laptop is loaded and the operating system file is loaded from the pen drive, that is bootable pen drive. You can just click on the next button to start the installation process. Next, now click on the install now. So setup is starting. Now I need to click on this I accept the license term and click on the next button. Now there are two options. I will recommend you to click on the custom button so you can select the drive where you want to install and format disks and everything. So click on the custom button, custom option here. Now you can see disk 0, partition 1, disk 0, partition 3, 4. This is disk 0, that is HDD. And you can see here disk 1, partition 1. This is 15 MB reserved and disk 1 unallocated space. This is what our SSD is. So unallocated space, you need to create a drive like C drive, E drive. So I'll create the drive to click in the new and then you can apply this. How many drive you want to create? I want to create only one to install Windows operating system. So click on apply. Okay, now disk 1, this is SSD, and then disk 0, this is what? HDD, but I want to install in SSD. So I'll select this disk 1, partition 2, 119 GB. Now I will click on this format. Now after formatting, now you can see after formatting I have this next button here. The problem is solved to convert to GPT. After converting I have next option, so I will click on this next button simply. Our Windows installation process started. You can see copies Windows file, getting files ready. So it will take few time and your computer will be restarted many times. So just no need to worry. If your computer will restart, just leave it as it is. Your process will begin. So just wait for a few minutes. It will take few time and then we'll continue the process. Because I am installing in SSD solid state drive, so this process will go very much faster. But if you are installing in HDD hard drive, then it may take long time. or it depends on your system performance also. So you need to wait for a while. Okay, it's 69% done, so let's wait few more minutes. And most important thing while installing this Windows 10, if you have original Windows operating system with product key, you don't need to enter product key while installing again in SSD or any other drive in your same laptop. It will take that key automatically. I'm doing the same, so you don't need to worry about the product key. It will be automatically updated in your new system when you are going to install in your same laptop. Okay, the process is almost completed. Now installing update and then finish up, and then your system will restart. Okay, you can see Windows needs to restart to continue, so you don't need to worry. Just allow it to restart the system and do not press any button from the keyboard while restarting. Okay, it is restarting now. Let's wait. Okay, it is starting now. No need to worry, just wait. The process will continue. Okay, system is restarted, but you can see here again the installation process started again. What is this? What is happening? You don't need to worry, just press ESC button once again here, because we don't need to install it once again and select click next button. Press ESC button, press yes, and then again press ESC to install the BIOS setting, because we have already selected SSD drive to install the system, and in the SSD few processes already done. Now while restarting, you need to go to the BIOS setting, pressing F10 button, and tell the computer you need to look the file from SSD, boot option now, and then you can see here you need to keep this at the top. So OS manager, I have one OS manager in hard drive and OS manager in SSD also. Let's try this one. The computer will restart again. Might be it will load from SSD, so we can continue the installation process. Let's wait a few minutes. Okay, the system is started and it is showing getting ready. So it is loaded from SSD. I have two operating system in my computer, in SSD and HDD, so it was displaying like which one you want to load. I have select SSD, or automatically it will be selected. So after that the process will begin, so we'll continue with that now. Installation process. Okay, now system is restarted. Now we need to select the region, time and everything remaining, username, password, and click on the next button, so the process will be finished. The Cortana will speak up, so to mute it, you can click on this. So to mute that, you can just press next button, or you can skip this for now. And the network I don't need. Press continue button, or connect now, continue with limited setup. You can set up this all things later on. You need to keep here username, the PC name. I will write name for my PC as cool. Next button. Now it is asking for the password. You can keep password or click on the next button without keeping. Now you need to just click on this accept button, then again accept, and almost done. It will display some messages, hi, hello, and other stuff, guidelines. So wait for a few minutes. You can see it might take several minutes, so we'll wait. Don't turn off your PC. Okay, we'll wait for a while. Finally, our Windows 10 is installed successfully. You can see this start button and this all things. Okay, you can see in this my computer, local disk C, this is my SSD. Out of 119 GB, 97 GB is full, and remaining other is HDD drive and pen drive. These all documents are available here. Now I can use SSD and it will work very much faster. And one more thing, this is SSD local disk C. In here I have Windows operating system file, and this is HDD local disk C where I have Windows 10. I have two Windows 10. So when you will restart the system, it will ask you to load from whether this SSD or HDD. You need to select one. And for now I have selected this SSD, so it is displaying local disk C here. And obviously I have Windows 10 installation in SSD. I don't need this now. So I can click on the format button and I will format this drive. Windows 10 in HDD. I'm just going to delete that files. So every time when we will start the system, it will be loaded directly from SSD. Okay, this is formatted. And now our fresh system is this SSD with Windows files and this HDD for data backup. Okay, so this is the complete process of installing Windows 10 with problem solving also. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video or understand the process, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button and comment below if you have confusion and if you understood. And share with your friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.